In the West, people use forks, knives, and spoons to eat. In the East, though, chopsticks are the preferred eating utensil. Chopsticks, known as 筷子 in Mandarin, are pairs of equal-length sticks that have been used for over 3,000 years. Chopsticks can be made of different materials such as wood, bamboo, metal, ivory, ceramics, and even plastic. While chopsticks appear to be a fairly simple device, they require quite a bit of practice and skill to master. Today, we will outline the steps to properly hold and use the chopsticks. Step 1. Select your dominant hand, which can be 你的左手或右手. Place the first chopstick between the thumb and the index finger, about 1/3 of the way down. Rest the chopstick lightly on your ring finger. This is your bottom chopstick. Step 2. Place the second chopstick between your thumb and the index finger as well, but rest it against your middle finger and the base of your thumb. You can let it touch the top of the bottom chopstick. Step 3. Use your thumb, index, and middle fingers to grasp the upper chopstick a bit more tightly. This upper chopstick is also known as your moving chopstick. These 3 steps help you to hold the chopsticks firmly. The next 2 steps show you how to use the chopsticks to pick up food using a gentle pinch and lift motion. Think of your chopsticks as a claw. Step 4. The index and middle fingers move the top chopstick up and down to open it. Step 5. Place the open chopsticks over the selected food item and pinch the food between the tips of the chopsticks to lift it. Move the top chopstick to close the gap, and voila! You've successfully picked up food with your chopstick. An important tip to remember: the bottom chopstick pretty much stay put all the time, so that only the upper chopstick is moving to open and close the chopstick. Happy eating with chopsticks!